Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle of today in additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday weekend, August 27th 2022. I've already solved these two puzzles. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles in this additional. But first we will do this binary puzzle number 5083. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, the 4th O, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, need to think now. The hard part now. Do we need here any comparing? That's the question. Well, if I compare with this one and that one, here and there, almost the same, but look to the ones. Okay, here we have a 1, here we have a 1, here we have a 1. So if I place the 1 there, we have the same rows then. So here can I place the 1? Otherwise, those two rows will be identical. So the 1 should be here, and the O goes there. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay, this I have compared. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, 3 1s we have here. If I place number 4 there, oh, here cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. Double 1, here no, there no. If I place number 4, 1, 2, 3, the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. Compare again. No. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 3 O's. Yeah. Then we need to compare, I think. Compare. Yeah. This row and that row. 1 1. Oh. 1 1. Oh. Oh, wait. Start in a different order. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1. Alright, so these two digits, we need to switch those two digits, otherwise we will get the similar rows, identical rows. Here we have an O, this should be a 1. Here we have a 1, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 5 minutes. Yeah, I like this one, yes. You need to compare twice and... yeah, I like this one. If I like this, maybe you too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, yes. Until then, bye bye for now.